Good morning, everyone. You are listening Vinay Kumar, your news anchor from Lava Forum Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. COVID-19 positivity rate spikes in Bengaluru, higher than national average. That is from Bengaluru. The COVID-19 positivity rate in Bengaluru is on an upward trajectory even as Delhi and other major cities are seeing a drop over the past few days. On Tuesday, the tech capital recorded a positivity rate of 8.5%, higher than the national average of 6.37%. The positivity rate, which is a vital marker in assessing the spread of an outbreak, refers to the number of COVID-19 positive cases per 100 cases conducted. In the epidemiological circuit, higher the TRP, louder the alarm bells as it indicates adequate number of tests are not being conducted to ascertain the magnitude of the situation. In other words, a higher positivity rate shows only the seriously ill are being tested and then a large population is not on the testing radar. Bengaluru had weathered the COVID storm relatively well in the initial phase, gradually scaling up testing and had succeeded in keeping the TPR at 1% for several weeks in a row. But the dynamics changed towards the fag end of June. TRP increased to 1.81% to touched 3.67% on June 29 and is currently at 8.5%. We keep looking at the slow rise in COVID-19 positive case till the third week of June and failed to see the rising TPR in Bengaluru, admitted a senior IAS officer. If the spread of the virus has to be effectively contained, more people have to be tested. The state government has now announced plans to ramp up testing capacity, has set new targets for Bengaluru. Dr. Giridhara R. Babu, epidemiologist and member of ICMR's COVID-19 Task Force Group on Research and Surveillance, assuming testing rates are constant and our approach to finding cases has also remained constant. Increasing test positivity indicates the prevalence of infection in increasing. Simply put, more people and infected people than before. On the other hand, plummeting recovery rate in Bengaluru too has turned out to be a major worry and embarrassment for the government. That is from today. I, Vinay Kumar, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.